Plus, we've got some healthy options to throw on your Labor Day grill to please all appetites.
It's all happening right now on California Live.
Living in California, it can be a bit of a challenge planning menus to please all appetites and dietary preferences.
I know this firsthand, but not to worry, friends. Nutritionist and healthy living expert Christine Lusita has brought us some Labor Day alternatives to boring old burgers. But I love the burgers.
Exactly. Hi, it's so nice to see you guys. Hi.
Yeah.
All right, so we are kicking off our Labor Day celebration early with King's Hawaiian, and these sliders, they are absolutely delicious. Right here, I've made a turkey avocado slider on these super soft and fluffy King's Hawaiian slider buns. This is one of my favorite recipes because these slider buns are not only so tasty, they can be customized to anyone's preferences.
Okay.
So, and they're a huge crowd pleaser, and we can't go wrong.
So you still have the burger, but you're going healthy with it.
And you know what? We added a little, we swapped out the beef for turkey. I added in some avocado, so we have some healthy fats and proteins. Add a little fruit or veggie. You got a well-rounded meal.
Yeah,
All right.
something for everyone.
I prefer the burger, but I'm going to try this one. I'll do it. I'll do it for the health.
All right. This is deliciousness, okay? So this is going to add a special spark to any holiday barbecue party. This is Cacique's Ranchero brand queso fresco cheese. I love it so much because it's creamy texture, it's crumbly, and again, it adds a special spark to anything, right? I've also paired it here with a little watermelon and arugula salad. And listen, anytime you can add a fruit or vegetable to a plate, you're adding in nutrients and hydration and fiber, so you're all supporting a healthier lifestyle. And this cheese is one of my favorite authentic
I've
Mexican
actually had
brands.
this salad,
Yes,
and it
cheese.
is so good. It is absolutely delicious.
It smells great.
That is, I would hands down have that one again.
Yes, the
and
cheese
of course
makes
you can't,
it.
you know, you can't go wrong with the potatoes and cheese.
Yeah. Actually, those are plums.
Oh my gosh! I honestly thought those were potatoes.
I know. Okay.
Wow. All right.
But you know, the thing is, it's so high quality, you can really pair it with anything.
Of course.
Okay, so the next one is this is Blue House salmon.
Yes.
Exactly, right? This is the only salmon product sustainably raised onshore in the U.S. It comes fresh from Florida, guys. This is a big thing when looking for salmon. You want to make these healthier choices. It's got no microplastics, no antibiotics, and no hormones. I love it personally because it has a really mild, buttery flavor.
Yeah.
Salmon is packed with minerals and vitamins, all to help support a strong immune system. Again, you
So
can't
where
go
do you
wrong.
get this?
So you can get this at Safeway.
Okay.
Yep, or you can go onto their website and check it out.
And the dill smells so good.
And easy to cook. Salmon's easy to cook. So
Okay, I've got a little sizzle and a little drizzle for you guys. This is one of my favorite products. It is Graza olive oil. It's made from picul olives that are from Spain, so it's more of a full-bodied flavor. They're never blended, which is really important to look out for. It's always fresh. They have two different kinds, so you want to use a little drizzle like for a finishing touch with some dips or some hummus and dressings, and then you want to use your sizzle for like searing, baking, grilling. And most people don't know that picul olives are really great in high heat over 410, so they're great for
like sauteing,
exactly, frying.
And I love this squeeze bottle. That's actually really great.
I love these.
Yeah.
This actually makes cooking fun. They're
So
chef
easy.
inspired. It's
Yeah.
fun and functional. And I found these at Whole Foods, or you can find them on graza.co.
Perfect. I'll definitely be getting those. Okay, we like this section over here.
Oh yeah.
Danny's been eyeing this section over here.
All right.
It's our favorite section.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This is Fresh Victor. They are cold press cocktail mixers. They are completely clean label, 75 to 90 calories per serving. My favorite part, one of these 16-ounce bottles is budget friendly because you can make 5 or more drinks with them. They have so many delicious flavors. Look, you can pair it with your favorite spirit, a seltzer, a sparkling wine, so you can customize it, again, to anyone. They are dropping in September. I am so excited.
Oh, it's not out yet.
No, these are out now, but they have a new flavor, a grapefruit and sea salt to look out for. This is a delicious strawberry lemon, and you guys take a sip.
Perfect.
There's no alcohol in here.
minutes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Guys, thank you so much. Great to see you.
And we will definitely be trying some of these ideas for sure, for sure.
And for more entertaining ideas, we invite you to follow us on Instagram at NBCCA Live.
And before we go, we've got a birthday girl in the house.
We have a special shout-out.
To our executive producer, Kate.
We love you, love you. Happy birthday. We hope you have the best day. Today will be extra nice to you. But don't get used to it, because tomorrow it's back to not being nice.
We're just kidding. We're nice to her every day. That's why she stays.
Every day. Look at her. We love you. Happy birthday. Happy 21st. All right.
And tomorrow on the show, we head to Venice Beach to meet a fascinating man who went from working in the White House to sewing up stylish scarves.
And I'll be showing you some Pilates moves to help ease that back pain. Have a great day, everyone, and we'll see you tomorrow.
All right, we'll take the drinks now.
Yes.
Now it's time.
Cheers. Interesting.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.